Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you the Sonoff Smart Plug. Here in my hand is a Sonoff Smart Plug. I got it for about $10 in Banggood. It's cheap, yes. However, it's very useful. Inside the box is a Sonoff Smart Plug itself and an operations manual. In operations manual, you have English and Chinese language. Let's start on a quick demonstration. I'm going to plug this on my outlet, and you're gonna need your smartphone. In your manual, the first step is to download the application named EWLink, or you can just scan the QR code with your any QR scanner and he will bring you to the download link. On my smartphone, I already downloaded the application. As you can see, it's here. So what you're going to do next is turn on the device and let's wait until the green light start to flash. Right, green light is start flashing. Now we will open the application, and in the application you will see a plus sign. We will just tap it and you can see quick pairing. Before you tap that quick pairing, go to your device. On your device, you can press and hold 10 seconds the power button until the light flashing quickly. There it is. The lights is flashing. So let's tap on quick pairing, and on the menu you have to fill up the form, the Wi-Fi name, that's your Wi-Fi network in your house, and the Wi-Fi password on your house. So once you fill it up, go to the next menu and he will search for the device. This time the device is registering your home network through your smartphone via application. As you can see, he's connecting to the device right now. Let's wait about a minute or two until it will register to your network. There you see, he found the second generation device. That's the device that we have, and he's registering right now. And after that message, he will show you the device, and we're gonna name it. For me, I name it, I always name my device as P1, and then let's register, tap complete, and he will give you a message that added successfully. Now let's go to the operation. When I press the power on, it says off, but when I tap that off, you will hear a clicking sound from the device. Okay, so what are we going to do now is, I have my favorite table lamp in here. I'm going to connect that to the device so that I can show you that the device is working. There it is. Now that I plug in my table lamp, I'm gonna show you how do you open your light wirelessly. And take note, that you can turn off and on any appliances, any electronic device that you plug on your smart plug wirelessly, even you are away from your home, even you are in your office or on the way to your house. You can turn it on and turn it off as long as you have data or Wi-Fi. So okay, that's it. This is all. Thank you for watching. I hope you liked the video. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and thumbs up if you like the video. And if you have any questions and you have any requests you want me to make a review, just comment down below and I will try to reply you, and I will try to do the request. Okay, thank you very much. That's all for now. Thank you. Bye.